Dear student, today we are in second lecture of coordination compound NEET and JEE. In last lecture we discussed some ligands. First we will discuss ligand, then after geometry. Isomerism. Here positive monodentate ligand NO plus having charge +1, which is called as a ligand nitrosonium. Here atom given one nitrogen atom donates one electron pair, so monodentate. NO2 plus nitronium N, NH2 NH3 plus NH2 NH2 is hydrogen. Here NH2 NH3 plus hydrogenium N, nitrogen donates one electron pair. These three are in our syllabus some monodentate positive ligand. Now monodentate negative ligands. H minus having charge -1, hydrido H here donates electron pair. O minus 2 having charge -2, oxo here one oxygen, one electron pair donates. There are 4 pair. Out of 4 only one donates. O2 minus 2 having charge -2, peroxo, oxygen is donor. O2H minus per hydroxo, oxygen is donor. આ બધા monodentate છે. OH minus having -1, hydroxo O, F -1 charge, fluoro otherwise fluorido, F is donor. Cl minus chloro otherwise chlorido, Cl is donor. Br minus bromo otherwise bromido, Br is donor. I minus 1 having charge -1, iodo otherwise iodido, I is donor. Ca3COO minus, which is acetate, but as a ligand we are calling acetato. O suffix we have to apply in the last. Here donor is oxygen atom. Cyno, Cn minus, here carbon atom is donor. Isocyano, here nitrogen is donor. Cyno and isocyano, ambidentate ligand. Wherever carbon is donating, so nitrogen is not donate. So here nitrogen is donating, then carbon do not. SO3 minus 2 charge -2, sulfito, oxygen is donor. S minus 2 having charge -2, sulfido otherwise thio, sulfur is donor. Hydrogen sulfito, HSO3 minus, here oxygen is donor. NH2 minus having -1 charge, nitrogen is donor. Amido, NH2 minus nitrogen is donor, charge -2 but monodentate. Imido, NO3 minus having -1, nitrogen is donor. Nitrato, NO2 minus, here nitrogen is donor. Nitrito N, N is donor. ONO minus, nitrito O, white, oxygen is donor. So this type of monodentate comes in the nomenclature. Now in our second point, here you can see once again some another monodentate negative ligands are here. N-3, nitrogen having -3 charge, which is also monodentate. These are the monodentate up to here. Nitrido, donor is nitrogen. N3 minus 1 is actually azide, as a ligand azido, donor is nitrogen. CNO minus having charge -1, if oxygen is donor then cynato, if nitrogen is donor OCN minus then isocyanato. N SCN minus, sulfur is donor, so thiocyanato, sulfur is donor. NCS minus charge -1, isothiocyanato, donor is nitrogen. HCO3 minus 1 charge is -1, hydrogen carbonato ligand, oxygen is donor. Now didentate ligands. some of the ligands are not given in our book, so consulted here CH3 COO CH CO and CH3 is given. ACS is salt form, acetyl acetonato. Here 2 oxygen atom means didentate, 1 and 2 donates at a time and makes 2 coordinate covalent bond with metal. Here is a glycine. H મૂકી દે. So glycine. H is removed and it behaves like a ligand, glycinato. Here nitrogen and here is oxygen donor. So in short form GLY. So this is ligand. 1 nitrogen atom and 1 oxygen donates electron pair. Didentate negative ligand having charge -1. Here is also -1. SO4 -2, charge -2, sulfato, 2 oxygen donor. S2O3 -2 having charge -2, thiosulfato, 2 oxygen atom is donor. 2 methyl, dimethyl. C double bond NOH, C double bond NOH. Here H is removed. So charge -1. Dimethyl glyoxymato. 2 nitrogen is donor here. Didentate. C2O4 -2 oxalato. C double O O minus. Out of 4 oxygen, 2 are donors. So 2 oxygen is donor. Didentate oxalato. In carbonato, there are 3 oxygen. Out of 3, 2 are donors. Didentate negative ligand charge -2 and hexadentate 6 electron pair donates. Ethylene, diamine and tetraacetate. CH2 COO minus, CH2 COO minus. Here 6 donating site, 2 nitrogen and 4 oxygen. So at a time it gives 6 electron pair to the metal and forms 6 coordinate covalent bond. So which is the hexadentate negative ligand, but charge is -4 here. You can see. Now, in the nomenclature of coordination compound, whenever our species entity is positive charged, otherwise which is neutral, so how to give the name? So original name we have to write. If entity is neutral or positive charge and inside silver is there, so we have to take only silver. But in the case of entity is negative, so in that particular case, for giving name we are using some Latin names. If Ag is a negative entity, so it is called argentate. In the nomenclature, argentate. If lead is here, positive or neutral, so lead remains lead. But in negative entity, which is plumbate, argentate, plumbate, orate are Latin name. Au in positive or neutral entity, so only gold. If Au is a negative entity, then orate. Mercury in positive or neutral entity, mercury only. But in negative entity, mercurate, otherwise hydroborate, otherwise hydrogenate we are using. For nickel, remains nickel in positive or neutral entity, but in the negative entity, which is the nickelate. Now what about Fe? Fe is in पॉजिटिव एंटिटी और न्यूट्रल एंटिटी અહીં ઝીરો ચાર્જ હોય તો પોઝિટિવ તો ઓનલી આયન બટ which is in a negative entity then it should be ferrate. Understood? Now we are going to geometrical isomerism. We are in a geometrical isomerism. Geometrical GR means geometrical isomerism occurs in a square planar coordination number 4 and octahedral coordination number 6 having a coordination compound. Geometrical isomerism never occurs in a tetrahedral coordination compounds. Never occurs in tetrahedral. Understood? So only occurs in a square planar or a octahedral, not in a tetrahedral shape. A square planar shape, otherwise octahedral. Coordination number 4. The 4 coordinate covalent bond, and CN6 means coordination number are 6. Now pointwise complex is with formula ML4, otherwise MA4, MAB3, otherwise MA3B. Never gives geometrical isomerism. It never gives geometrical isomerism. Here, coordination number is 4 and square planar coordination number 4 shape is a square planar Y metal combining with 4 monodentate ligand. When it changes the place of A relative to each other, we can't get another geometry. So this one is not giving any geometrical isomers like this. A1 and 3B. If we are changing place of A, here is A, then 3B are close to each other at 90, remains same. Here B, suppose here is A, so you can see 3B are also at 90 degree to each other. No another geometry occurs. If 3A and 1B is taken, if we are changing the place of B, no any change occurs. So this type of entity never gives geometrical isomerisms. In octahedral entities like MA6, MA6, A is monodentate ligand, MA5B, MAB5 is not giving any. This here coordination number 6. Shape is octahedral, but it is not giving any geometrical isomerism due to no place is changed. Relating all the A. A ગમે ત્યાં લખીએ. We are changing the place of A. It remains as it is. So it's not giving. Here suppose 1B and 5A is taken. If we are changing the place of B anywhere, it remains the same. If A is 1 and B is 5. So this one also not giving the, we are changing the place of B. So all the B remains the same as it is. So this type of entity never gives a geometrical isomerism. But whenever type of is M(A2, B2) means A type of two ligands and B type of two ligands are combining. A and B is monodentate. So this gives two geometrical isomer, cis and trans. Here two geometrical isomers occurs, cis and trans. How? I am giving you example. PT Na3 twice Cl2. Entity having 0, 2 chloride minus 2 amine 0 plus 2. 1 platinum plus 2 combining with 2 chloride and with 2 amines. Here you can see 2 amines are close to each other at 90 degree. These 2 chloride also 90. This is cis. 2 amines here, here, it's okay. Here 2 chloride opposite to each other and 2 amines are opposite to each other. You can see relative place is changed. Relative angle is changed. Here is angle 90 degree. Here is 180. Angle is changed. So this one opposite to each other. This one close to each other, cis. These two same ligand opposite to each other, so trans. So in this type of entity gives two geometrical isomers. Which one? Cis and trans. Here A and B we have to take A and B monodentates. Now in the type of M A2BC, in the type of M A2BC, here A type of 2, B type of 1, here A, B, C are monodentate. It is clear? With reference to A, we can decide, yes, this entity gives two geometrical isomer, cis and trans. I am giving you example PT NH3 twice ClBr -1 plus 2. Here platinum is combining with 2 amine. Both amine are close to each other. Here is chlorido and bromido. So two same ligands are very close, so cis. Here two amines are arranged to opposite to each other at 180 degree. Here both are at 90 degree. Here is bromide. So this one opposite to each other. So in this case, on the basis of A2, if 2A are close to each other, so cis, 2A are opposite to each other, so it gives a trans. Now third one, in square planar. Yes, we are discussing about square planar entities. If all the four ligands in square planar entity are different, here A, B, C and D are monodentates. So this gives three geometrical isomers, two cis and one trans. How can we say all four are different? A is opposite with B, A is opposite with C, A is opposite with D. On the basis of it, there are three. Here A, B, C and D. A and B is opposite. Then A with C, opposite position. Here A, B, C, here is D. On the basis of it, it gives three type of geometrical isomers. Here A and B are opposite to each other, so this one trans. A and B close to each other, so cis. A and B close to each other, so cis. If we are deciding B and D close, suppose C and D opposite, so trans. Here C and D close, here C and D close. On the basis of it, one of them is a trans and two are cis. Clear? This type of isomerism occurs. Now, in the square planar, didentate ligand is present. In the square planar, didentate ligand is present. Square planar complexes having unsymmetric didentate ligand gives geometrical isomerism. Yes, so two geometrical cis and trans occurs. PT GLY twice. PT GLY means glycinate. In the glycine, NH2 CH2 COO minus. Glycinate, this one is non-symmetric, unsymmetric. But ethylene diamine, when we take, so which is symmetric. Here both nitrogen and both parts same symmetric. This one non-symmetric. One of nitrogen atom, one of oxygen is donating here. So platinum with glycine, NH2 CH2 COO minus. Here is suppose NH2 CH2 COO minus. Here oxygen and nitrogen atom on its both side amino group on same side and COO group on same side. So this one cis. Now platinum is combining like this, NH2 CH2 COO minus. Here O, COO, CH2 and NH2. Here is NH2 group, here is COO group. You can see side is changed, both amine on same side. Here two nitrogen on opposite, two oxygen are on opposite. So whenever in didentate ligand which is non-symmetric, so it gives a cis and trans type of isomers. Now clear? Two nitrogen donor on same side at 90 degree. Here two nitrogen donor on opposite side at 180. So trans and cis. In this type of entity, but wherever didentate ligands should be unsymmetrical. Now, having coordination number 6, entity like A4B2 or wherever A4B2, otherwise A2B4 and Ma3B3 gives two geometrical isomers. Here cis and trans, but here facial and meridional occurs. Here on the basis of B, 2A are very close, 4A and 2B are close to each other, so cis. And 2 RBB here or here with at 90 degrees, so cis. If 2B are at 180 degree opposite to each other, so it will be trans. To be here or here, yes, it's applicable. So one of cis in this type of entity, and all the ligands are monodentate, so give cis and trans. But here facial and meridional. Whenever 3A are at 90 and 3B also at 90, so this one facial, yes, facial. And if 2A are at 180 and A is perpendicular, and all the 3A at 90, 2A at 180 and one of them is at 90, 2B at 180 and B is at 90. So this is called meridional. Yes. Now, whenever all the 6 ligands are different, and A, B, C, D, E, F can have 15 geometrical isomers. 15. Yes, how can? If all the 6 are monodentate. So octahedral coordination number 6 on the basis of this A opposite with B, A opposite with C here, A with D, A opposite to E like this, A opposite to F. So these are 5. Now B with opposite to C, B opposite to D, B with E, and B with F, B with C, B with D, B with E, B with F, then C with D, C with E, C with F, then D opposite to E, and D opposite to F, and last E opposite to F. So 5 plus 4 plus 3 and 2, 14 plus 1, 15. You have to draw in your homework. Whenever all the 6 ligands are different, monodentate, so 15 એટલે એના ઓપોઝિટમાં બી હોય, પછી સી હોય, પછી ડી હોય, લાઈક ધીસ it gives 15. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 and 15. We can arrange this type of 15 geometrical isomers. Bye. We will meet in our next lecture.